Sweet, crunchy, and chewy, we're making white chocolate toffee blondies today, and they are so delectable, everyone. I decided, you know what, let's make some good old blondies. I've been craving them for a while. At first I was thinking I want a brownie. I said, no, I actually want a blondie, so we are gonna make some blondies with the leftover toffee, and I went and got some white chocolate, so we are doing white chocolate toffee blondies, so let's get into it. In the bowl, we're gonna add 1 3/4 cup light brown sugar. Now, most recipes I saw incorporate dark brown sugar. I don't have dark brown sugar, so it is completely okay to use all light brown sugar if you want to. 1 cup melted butter. Just start breaking that down and mixing it up good. Next, we have 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. And go ahead and give that a mix. Once mixed all together, this is how it's gonna look. Vanilla bean paste. Oh no, I'm out. It's time to get some more. Now let's do our dry ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give that a good mix. Now let's combine the two. Take our dry ingredients and dump them into the wet. And now just start folding and mixing it in. We're folding, not stirring. Folding. And it's going to all come together. And what's somewhat mixed together with still some white streaks left in it, let's set this to the side, and now let's get to putting our toppings in there, which is the white chocolate, the toffee, the white chocolate bar. Y'all gonna enjoy this. And of course, you should already know the white chocolate we're using is Ghirardelli. Just start cutting it up. And it don't gotta be pretty cutting, we're just chopping it up. Got Ghirardelli white chocolate chips. Go ahead and add those on in. Our white chocolate bar, we're not gonna put in all of it. We are gonna save some for the top of the blondies as well. And the toffee pieces that was left over from the previous recipe. And again, save some for the top. Now, give it a good mix. All right, there we go. Now let's go ahead and put this into the pan. In the pan lined with parchment paper, and don't talk about my pan and the parchment paper the way it looks. I did the best I could. Take it and just start dropping it in. It's gonna be thick like cookie dough, but it's really not like cookie dough. It's just somewhat of almost the same consistency, just a little bit more softer. And once it's in the pan, just start spreading it out. And once spread out evenly, just take the remaining white chocolate and just dump it on top, or just drizzle it on top, spread it around. Take the remaining toffee and throw it on top as well. Spread it around. Now we're gonna bake this in a preheated 325-degree oven for the next 30 to 40 minutes. So I'll see y'all then. And once done baking, this is how they look. Just look at this, everyone. That toffee done melted, nice, buttery, golden, just barely wiggle in the middle. So now just know, just because you took this out the oven, it's still cooking. So even that little wobble right there, it's gonna go away. But yeah, these are done. Oh, and there go the timer. We are gonna let these cool off completely, like quite a bit, because if we try to cut these open now or just even after a few minutes, it's gonna be extremely gooey and fall apart. So you have to let this sit. So I'll probably see you within the next hour or so. Okay, it's cooled off quite a bit. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Oh, it's heavy. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Edges are nice and crispy and set. The middle is soft and gooey. Oh, I can't wait to cut into this. So let's go ahead and cut into it. Got my knife. Let's go ahead and start cutting. Oh, it just sounds and smells and looks so good, everyone. All right, it's all cut. Let's go ahead and pull out one. Oh yeah, look at that. Just look at that. You can see the nooks and crannies of the white chocolate and toffee. All melted all up through there. Oh my God, look at how gooey, crispy, golden that it is. Oh yeah, now this is what it's all about. Let's go ahead and try it out. All right, everyone, here we're at the end, and just look at this blondie. Nice, gooey, golden, delicious, crispy edges. You can see that toffee just all through there. The white chocolate. Whew. This is about to be one hell of a bite. So let's go ahead. Oh my God. This, ooh. That was good. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of want to go in the corner and handle some business with this real quick. You taste them pockets of toffee all throughout it. Then that decadent white chocolate. Oh, and it's so buttery and delicious and gooey. Wait, did I say it's delicious and gooey? Yeah, I just did. Then it's crispy. Oh, the nutty flavor and aroma to it. Them golden brown edges, like it just all goes together perfectly. All right, one more bite. Now, believe it or not, with Blondies, it's truly best to enjoy them the next day once they sat in the fridge overnight. And that way they can actually like solidify and be that true fudginess that it's supposed to be. But sometimes, man, you just can't wait until the next day and you got to go ahead and dig into it like I did right there. Like, they are that good, you are not going to want to wait. But all right, everyone, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a comment down below, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, hey, and stay tuned for more amazing videos. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Love you all.